फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, you're watching Cricket Next. I am Surama Kaushik and I'm here with the post-match report of Chennai Super Kings versus Punjab Kings match that was happening in Dharamshala. Well, at the end of the match, Chennai Super Kings parred high as they won the match by 28 runs. Well, Chennai Super Kings didn't bat well. At one stage, in fact, at the end of the first innings, it was felt by everyone that 160 above score was below par. But Chennai Super Kings, especially at the HPCA Stadium in Dharamshala. But what kind of a bowling Chennai Super Kings did, it's commendable. Now, CSK were in a crisis. They were in crisis of their bowlers because there was no Pathirana, there was no Thikshana, there was no Mustafizur Rahman. So who they were eyeing at? Also, there was no Deepak Chahar. So they had to look out for different options, and they looked out at some great options. They got in Simarjeet. They also had a great spell from Tushar Deshpande. Santner bowled really well. Now, all of them worked really well against Punjab Kings and then led Chennai Super Kings to this 28 runs win. Now, this win is very crucial for CSK because now they are at number 3 position in the points table. But before that, let me tell you what all happened in the match. So, first up, CSK batters came to bat, and as you can see the scorecard, Ajinkya Rahane, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Darren Mitchell, Shivam Dubey, Moeen Ali, Jadeja, Santner, Thakur, Dhoni, nobody performed. And I think I have named pretty much everyone in this team. Now, for the first time ever, Mahendra Singh Dhoni in T20 cricket came at number 9 to bat. And that was a pin drop silence moment at the HPCA Stadium because he went back on a golden duck. Can you imagine MS Dhoni, the uproar that happens on ground, the chants that happen on ground, and they were all silenced within just a matter of few seconds. And that was done by Harshal Patel. Now, Harshal Patel really deserves the credit of performing really well. He bowled well. And that's why Chennai Super Kings were restricted to 167. Now, that was a very average score, and that is why everybody was expecting Punjab to do very well. And HPCA Stadium, it's Punjab Kings' second home. So it was expected out of Punjab to perform well. But see what they came up with. Now, they came up with such kind of a batting performance where Riley Russo, he went out without scoring even a single run. Jitesh Sharma, he went out on a golden duck. And then Ashutosh Sharma, who has performed really well for Punjab in the last few matches, he made just 3 runs of 10 balls. And all that credit goes to Chennai Super Kings, really good bowling. Now, Chennai Super Kings bowled really well, especially Tushar Deshpande, as he got those 2 crucial batters out, Johnny Bairstow and Riley Russo, in his over itself, one of his overs. And in the power play, Punjab Kings were looking very out of form. So everything mattered in the power play itself. And after a one point, where it felt that there might be a case where Punjab Kings batters like Shashank and perhaps Simran might take it to the end because they stitched a half-century partnership over there, but nothing of that sort happened because over there, Santner also did not give anything extra. Now, in this whole IPL so far, Chennai Super Kings never introduced this spinner in the power play, but using Santner in the power play did turn in their favor, and that's how Chennai Super Kings managed to win this match. So things changed for Chennai Super Kings in the crisis because they were not having good bowlers, but ultimately the bowlers that they had, Simarjeet, Santner, Shardul Thakur, Ravindra Jadeja, they all came up together. तुषार देशपांडे, सब लोगों ने साथ मिलकर चेन्नई को ये जीत दिलवाई है. बात करें अगर हम पूरे चेन्नई यूनिट की, तो सिमरजीत जिस तरह से पेस डाल रहे थे, वो बहुत अनप्लेबल दिख रहा था. We saw how Ashutosh Sharma was very uncomfortable in playing सिमरजीत, क्योंकि सिमरजीत 140 प्लस तो डाल ही रहे थे. इस पूरे मैच में उन्होंने 142, 141 ये टच किया और वहां पर उन्होंने चीजें डिफिकल्ट करी. लेकिन जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला, सैंटनर the way he was used by Chennai Super Kings in the power play, that did change a lot of things. And then who joined the party? There was one who joined the party and he became the player of the match, and that's this person on screen, Ravindra Jadeja. Now, Ravindra Jadeja clocked 3 wickets. 3 क्रूशल विकेट्स उन्होंने लिए, एंड आप देख सकते हो किस किस के विकेट्स उन्होंने लिए हैं. सैम करन को चलता किया, जो कि कैप्टन है पंजाब किंग्स के शिखर धवन की एब्सेंस में. Then he took Ashutosh Sharma's wicket, which was a very big wicket, because in all the past matches, Ashutosh Sharma has performed really well for Punjab Kings. And then Prabhsimran Singh has also performed really well, and Jadeja took these 3 crucial wickets at crucial times, and that's how Chennai Super Kings solidified their position in this match. Now, things happened pretty quickly, and that's there for you. Now, what better to see Chennai Super Kings fans celebrating their team's victory in the abode of Himalayas, these snow-capped mountains. Well, the HPCA Stadium is very mesmerizing. It's beautiful. And in the match against Punjab Kings, though it was Punjab Kings' home match, its second home for Punjab, there were Dhoni fans more, because obviously for one reason we know that MS Dhoni has been synonymous to Chennai Super Kings, and even in this IPL we have seen how fans go crazy for MS Dhoni, so they were there in huge numbers. But when the game started earlier in the day, these were the visuals. वहां पर राहुल चहर, वहां पर बाकी सारे हर्षल पटेल, बहुत खुश थी पंजाब जिस तरीके से उन्होंने चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के बैटर्स को चलता किया. कोई नहीं टिका except Ravindra Jadeja. Ravindra Jadeja made crucial runs with his bat. He made 30 odd runs, and to be specific, Ravindra Jadeja made वहां पर उन्होंने काफी अच्छी तरह से खेला, तो he made 40 odd runs. Yes, 43 to be specific. 43 runs उन्होंने वहां पर बनाए, and he led Chennai Super Kings to 167. And Ravindra Jadeja ने वो innings खेलने के बाद Chennai Super Kings को एक थोड़ा फाइटिंग टोटल पे लेके गए, और उसके बाद उन्होंने 3 विकेट्स भी लिए, एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही गॉट द प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच अवार्ड. नाउ दीज वर द विजुअल्स. CSK were huffing and puffing to go to a proper score, but this visual on screen, this was a heartbreaking scene for everyone. एंड यही मैं बात स्टार्टिंग में भी कर रही थी कि किस तरीके से चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के फैंस इतने बड़े नंबर में आए थे धर्मशाला में, एंड दे वर एक्सपेक्टिंग MS धोनी टू फायर अप. दे वर एक्सपेक्टिंग 4s and 6s from him, but what happened? Golden duck. But I think that's just a one match, and we will see what will happen in coming matches of Chennai Super Kings. Now, Chennai Super Kings will be playing Gujarat Titans on 10th of May, and on that day we'll see how Chennai will be looking to solidify their position in the points table. Now, for now, if we look at the points table, CSK are at number 3 with great points, 12 points, and they are right now below RR and KKR, and they will be looking forward to register more such wins going ahead in the tournament. While Punjab Kings, with this loss, now their entry to top 4 is only dependent on other teams. They can't do anything in this tournament ahead. Even if they win all their matches, their chances to the top 4 will largely depend on what other teams will be doing. So that's that in the match report. All in all, it was a collective performance from Chennai Super Kings, but a lot of credit goes to their bowlers. Their bowlers performed really well, and these were the bowlers who came in the absence of their key bowlers like Pathirana, Chahar, Mustafizur Rahman, Theekshana, and Simarjeet, Santner, and Tushar Deshpande. They performed really well, and at the end, obviously, the match winner Ravindra Jadeja, he performed both with the bat and with the ball. So that's that from my side in CSK versus Punjab Kings report. For other details and updates, you stay tuned to Cricket Next.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.